Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix any potential light out errors that you may be getting, hyper flashing from switching over to LEDs. We have LED headlights, fog lights, and now side markers all in the front, and they were not that way stock. So I'm going to show you how to fix that, and I'm going to put all the things you'll need in the description below. Roll that intro. Alright, so here's what we got. We have our security bypass cable and our new V-Gate iCar Pro USB scanner, or not USB, oh my goodness, OBD2 scanner. Nice packaging there. I'm going to link both of these in the description and show you where we're going to put both of these items. We're going to plug them in and we will be good to go. Start using our OBD JSCAN app, and we can fix some light settings. That's what we're trying to do. So let's get to putting the cable in. Of course, on the driver's side, we're gonna look at the OBD2 and then straight up those two cords right there, cables, we're gonna unplug them and plug them in to here. We'll be good to go. Alright, to try and get these guys undone, I'm using a really long screwdriver to go behind this plate and then go up to our plugs. Let me try and show you guys. There we go. And there's a tab on that back side. And we just got to pull the cord. So we push that tab in and we'll pull it out. Do that on both of them. I'm going to put my phone down and do that now. Okay, now we've got those both out. A little bit of struggle, but we got it. The bigger one goes in on the right side. The other one goes on the left side, so driver's side. Anyhow, we've got our plugs here. So we're going to plug our little one into our little plug there, just like that. You want to hear the click. We'll get that other one and we'll plug it in there. Maybe this is a lot easier with both hands, but can be done with one. There we go. Now we've installed the security bypass. We can take our OBD2 reader, the code reader here, scanner, and plug it in. Turn the car over to run, but we don't want it started. Now we're going to connect to the app, and this we should be able to connect to it and change some settings now. Alright, now I've taken my socks off because it's super muddy out. Got that plugged in. We're still on run. Now I'm going to get on my phone. I'm using my wife's phone. Thank you, dear. You're such a sweetheart. We're going to get my phone open. Go to the JSCAN app. Here we go. So first off, what you'll need to do is go into your Bluetooth. And you're going to want to make sure that you find the Android V-Link and add that. The pin should just be 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that, you'll pull up the ODB JSCAN app. I've already got our Jeep in here. It's connecting. Wait for that. Once it connects, now we are connected. And I'm going to check out these licenses. As of the time of recording, license-wise, they have a ton of options for you guys. We're probably going to end up doing the 24, but I'm going to try and do it for free first. Let's just see what we can do. So I got to figure out where it's at. Let's go do that real quick. Okay, so from our dashboard in the OBD JSCAN app, we're going to go to adaptions. From there, we're going to DRL, daytime running light settings. Then we're going to go down to LED dedication, DRL presence. Ours is deactivated, which is what causes the Jeep to sometimes say that our lights are out. Even though they're working with our new lights, we're just going to activate that. Hit go. And continue. Yeah, I think this, yep. So we're going to have to get a license. Let me do that. Bam, there we go. Purchase succeeded. Thank you. Got this. We're going to tie our VIN to it. Now let's try. It took us back there. Hit go. Great, change applied. Sweet, there we go. Now, while we're here, I'm going to check and see what else there might be in here. Like that one we just did. Oh, that actually brought up a whole lot more. So there's even more to do now that we have this. I was going to check the headlights as well. See if it has a LED thing in here. Doesn't look like it. Oh, maybe there's more. That's pretty sweet. Because we do have LEDs on there as well. So I was wondering, maybe there was one there. Not really a sales pitch for this app, but totally worth it. I mean, to be able to change that setting on its own. And I know that there's a ton more. A lot of other Jeep people use this. There's so much. Oh, look, there's a whole LED settings. Let's see if these are off. Those are off because we don't have Zions. Yeah, we have some of those. Current front right lamp present. LED front fog lamps. Yeah, we do have LEDs. They're deactivated. Let's activate that. We'll hit go. Sweet. This is so cool. Now that's on because we do have LED fog lights. LED front markers, front turn lamps. Those should be on. Our high beams, yeah, those should be LEDs as well. It's not. Let's activate that. Those are like the only things that weren't LED in the Jeep already. Everything else already is. So, I mean, for $24.99, that right there is amazing. I love it. I'm super excited about that. That means that the Jeep no more. Should we get that air? We should be good. We should be back running, having great lights. I mean, they have been working. Don't get me wrong, they've been working. But we've been getting that air and it pops up. And I don't have a picture of it. I guess I could turn it off and get a picture, but that's not worth the hassle. What it says is that your turning signals, front turning signals are out. And we checked, we made sure, like, they do work when you just switch from LEDs like we just did, but it does throw that air, and it's a voltage thing. That's what it comes down to. They work. This is like a hyper flashing thing as well, potential fix for it. So check that description below. I will link the security cable down there, also the adapter, plus I'll go ahead and I'll link to the ODBJ app as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, or if it helped you out, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, and we will see y'all in the next video. And keep Jeeping. We Jeeping for Jesus here. God bless y'all. Just look at our duck collection. Oh, little Jesus got knocked over. There we go.